Hey, buddy. Where'd you go?
He left. Just landed this morning. Well, yeah. He's got a lot on his mind, Dad. Cut him some slack. Oh, you got work to do, Junior? I can check myself.
They're all over the place.
I've got time. I'll even drive you to the station. What do you think about that? Already called for a cab.
They dive bombed them.
Hi. Taylor. I'm checking after nose.
You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Hurry up back, kids. Where you at? They'll be diving in.
I'll take care of Mr. Denison.
Come on, buddies. Hey, where's he? There he is.
Taylor can handle this.
Whoa.
Bruce, I'm experiencing some problems with my credit card.
I see you up there. I see you up there. There you go.
I don't think we'll be needing it.
Where'd you go?
Your bill has been paid in full.
Back over there.
I'll get you a copy for
You guys are nuts.
And also, something has been left here for you.
Oh, you're in the tree. I can't find you in the tree.
What is it?
It's a festival.
Prince Omar.
It's a festival of hummingbirds.
Confirmation number.
Come on, buddy.
Open-ended. First class flight to Monte Carlo.
Oh, there they were, right by me. Oh, where'd you go?
Felt guilty about it.
Jeez, man.
You lead a charmed life, don't you?
There he comes.
It was great seeing you.
There he is.
I enjoyed our talk.
There he is.
We should do that more often.
You coming this way?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Back over there. There's another one over there. Look at it. It's a festival. Gonna dive bomb you any minute now, kid. They're gonna get you.
I love you, Anthony.
There they go. Whoa, there he is. Hi, buddy. Hi, pal.
Hey, steak, cowboy style. I love it.
Whoa. It's hard to keep steady, buddy. They're gonna be coming for you in a minute, any second. Any second. There they go.
He skated again. Guy's amazing. So what happened? His buddy Omar picked up the tab.
I know you're around. I can hear you.
Online ticket to Monte Carlo.
There you are.
Where'd you get the money, Tony? Like,
You watch out for that red-throated one.
well,
He'll be coming for you.
I didn't really need to go on a cruise with
The
my
red-throater.
fraternity brothers, did I? Getting a little old for that stuff.
Any second, they'll be diving at you. I'll try to get back a little bit.
Caught on the cop, man. Brothers in the family.
Uh-oh, here he comes, the red-throater.
Why'd you do that?
Just flew by me.
And my father. He's who he is. Sometimes it's better to keep what you know
Wow.
yourself.
You guys are too fast. Too fast. Alright. We're gonna shut it down. Oh, he's back. We're gonna shut him down. You can hear that TV going over there. I just cut the grass over here, if you can see it. Got some dead patches. My unicorns usually roam free around this area. But, whoa, sister, did you see them Hummingbirds come by me. Whoa. There they go. Alright, where you all at? You get dizzy watching this. Okay. It's getting long, this footage. This hummingbird footage. Getting kind of long. But any second now we're going to get dive bombed, buddy. You know it, and I know it. The other ones are nearby, I hear them. Yeah, they sit. Oh, I heard him. You heard him too, huh? Get ready, he's gonna bomb you. See? Okay, we're gonna shut her down. We're gonna shut her down. Oh, oh, come on, buddy. Sitting on top of the thing. NCIS. Okay, I'm really getting tired of holding that. Whoa. Okay, he's in the tree. Now he's back over there.
The NCIS Marathon is presented by Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo.
Got a gnat in my eye. Whoa.